Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno8 Lite, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So let's just first hold for a while one from your device home screens, and after that here you'll see the transitions icon. Just click here once. Now I have selected the default one. You can just switch between all of this animations. So for example, I'll go with the real one. Just click here to apply, and after that let's just check, and we can see that we just successfully changed our device home screen transition. We can just change it again by the same way. Go to transitions here and switch it to the default and tap to apply again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.